Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you most powerful 12 watt cob light. Here you can see that there is 12 watt cob light. There is on off switch button and there is cooling fan to cool this light. Now let's turn on. Here you can see the power of this light. If you like this video, then please subscribe and press bell icon to receive my next project notification. So friends, that's all about from this video. So don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon to receive my next project notification. Have a great day.